So come give me love. Bam, bam. Shout out to everybody here on the live. Thank you for jumping on in. Appreciate each and every one of you for being here, sharing your most precious asset with me, and that is your time. Welcome to the Crypto Lifer Show, baby. We got a quick show for you. In and out, 15 minutes. Get back to your family on this beautiful Sunday morning. I do piano and a bunch of things on Sunday with the kids. God bless you all. Thank you for jumping on in. We're gonna talk about what we went over last night. If you were watching me last night, we made massive gains yet again. And you're like, dang, I missed this guy again. This guy never stops. We talked about karate in the trading group, getting a nice pump to the upside. It did that. About 25% gains on a wick, still holding about 9.71% for karate to the upside. But TIA was the big winner. We got in around 15. This thing would boom up to 19. A beautiful move to the upside from the bottom of the channel here to the upside. I have my two alerts set. They hit for gains. And I put my money where my mouth is. All right. I did open up a short last night that also paid out, went up 10% at one point. Wasn't amazing, but it did play out, and we made gains. Shout out to everyone here. If you want to trade where I trade, it's MEXC, KuCoin. All right? Get it done. Get yourself a Palau ID today and make it happen. All right? If you want to jump on into the trading group and get the gains that we just made and you missed on those gains, hit here, right here, cryptolifer.com in the pinned section on the comments. We make it so easy and convenient for you to jump on in. And then MEXC right there. Also, join iTrust Capital link right there if you want to move your Roth IRA. Shout out to our channel sponsors, iTrust Capital and BingX. We appreciate both of you. We love you. And something happened with the screen there. All right. We're back in action, though. We're back in action. Sorry. It's the morning. It's the morning. Give me a moment, all right? I'm like still not fully awake. Anyway, TIA for gains up 15% since last night, up even more since we put it out to the trading group. 30% gains. I put a massive amount in there. Nice pump for Bitcoin off the bottom of this channel to the upside. We've been watching this sideways price action. I'm going to give you your Bitcoin update in a split second. Karate pumping to the upside, TIA pumping to the upside, and all the magic happens here on MEXC. All right, I also love trading spot on MEXC. A lot of people are obsessed with leverage, but you don't realize you can make money trading spot, especially in a beautiful market. If you look at TIA doing some serious damage. Why did I pick TIA when everyone was in fear? When the market seemed well? Why did I have the guts to put a boatload of money in? I put in about $6,000, $16,000. And you can see if I sell TIA, I'm going to be up $2,500 right now. I put $16,000 into TIA. And I put my money where my mouth is. I like to swing big bags. That's what I do. You will too one day. And you may even swing bigger bags than me. I don't know. You know what I mean? But I show you guys exactly what I'm doing all the time. And yeah. And I tell you, I made boatloads of money trading spot. I didn't touch leverage for 10 years of my life. I come from an Irish family that never borrowed money. You know, credit cards were weird for my dad until he was older. We're about self-made. I'm a self-made guy from a self-made family. And so leverage always was funny to me. Why borrow someone's money? Funding accounts, leverage, all that stuff I thought was funny. I could take 500 and turn it to 1,000 on my own. I can turn 1,000 to 2,000 on my own. I can turn 1,000, you know what I mean? I can start from the very beginning and grind my way on up. You know why? Because when I finally get to $1 billion, I'll realize that I had worked my way from a very small amount all the way to that $1 billion. You know what I mean? Never wore this tie on the show before, brand new tie on the show. She found it today, whipped it up. A lot of times I have knots waiting. I'll be honest, I have 30 knots waiting. I have ties in their knots. I have to. So I can just pick one and put it on, all right? But this tie, I actually did get it done. Because you can make more, baby. ETH Genius Wallet, largest DAI wallet, just bridged 39 million to Pulse Chain. Verify on chain. Do your own research. Look at that. Any coin to get in now on MEXC. I just joined. Shout out to Jennifer Moffitt. Jennifer, we don't want to be like jumping in on like, I get it, but I see what you're saying, but let's look for the setups that matter, right? So Bitcoin tight inside the channel. I'm going to get rid of this short for now. Tight inside the channel. 7 minute coming up. We can't seem to get back above 42,970, 43K is a serious area of resistance. Look, we just can't seem to get above it. So unless Bitcoin can flip 43,000, we're going to have a bit of a problem, right? So that's it, you know, or we're not going to have a problem. We can make gains shorting the market. So we can make money either way. But this is what we're in right now. We're in a symmetrical triangle that's going to go either way. 43,000, 41.8. It's really based on where the 1 hour wants to sit here. And it's been kind of sideways, even on the stochastics RSI. Let's take a look at our 4 hour time frame. And our 4 hour time frame wants to bail us on out. It says I can get us out of here. We can get a bit of a dip. Nothing crazy, no hidden bullish, nothing that can really save the day, though. And we're still below the 200 SMA. If we can't get back above that 200 SMA and we end up losing this bottom of the pattern, we are going to go lower. Likely to the 8-hour 200 SMA, waiting for us down here at $41,000. I haven't ruled out 38K. Anything is possible. By being open-minded, we're able to find out what's going to happen in the market. If we tell ourselves we know exactly what's going to happen, there's no way. We're going to be blindsided one way or the other. We might be right a few times in a row and we'll think we got it. But it won't happen. Thank you, Jamie. Thank you, team. ETC is my attacker. What does that mean? I'm just saying because many coins I have no access to before now. No worries. Yeah. No, I got you, Jennifer. We're going to make sure you're hungry for gains. I get it. No, I'll see beginner people and they'll be like, what can I jump in right now for gains? And I'm always like, that always is like a sign that someone's going to go a little too crazy. I see a shoulder, a head, and a right shoulder here on Bitcoin. Could bump us back up to 43,008. 1 hour pointing up a little bit. 15 minutes saying, hey, let's do it. Remember, I told you the only thing we could have is the 15-minute pop-up to the 200 SMA. We didn't get that. And I took the short last night. Verifiably so. And now we have a severe resistance at 43,000. Excuse me. This is a real show. I would be not too much money on my end. Bless you. Thank you very much. God bless you, Jennifer. Jenna X, we love you. Thank you for being here. Jenna, do you ever miss a show? Man, you're like the best supporter in the game. Sam allergic to his new tie. Yeah. I love dressing nice every day. It feels so good to look good. Like I know that I'm going to look nice every day of my life. It just feels amazing. You know what I mean? And these are all write-offs because this is the show. This is costume for the show, which is kind of crazy. I try not to. Pepe took off. Can you check Sui? Looks like the run is over. I think the accumulation is going to be for a few days more before some pump. So we're going sideways here. This does look like accumulation. It kind of looks like an upside-down Bart Simpson that could dump to the downside. All right. We want to get back above that 200 SMA on the 15 and the 7 to save the day. I see sideways chop until we get to that weekly candle. Also, I believe the stock market is closed. I believe the stock market is closed tomorrow. Martin Luther King Jr., yep, Monday, January 15th. The stock market will be closed tomorrow. That throws us off, gives us false move money on Tuesday. The whole week gets pushed off. Whenever the stocks are off on a day, it challenges the entire cycle of the trading week. And I've seen it happen many times. You can say I'm crazy, but I'm telling you right now, if you're in my trading group, we got a bunch of alerts that are going off all the time. You'd probably want to know what they are. I share them with everybody, and if I get them, I post a chart, really. You might not even know I got an alert, but I post a chart. You have so much information and so much access if you want to get in to the trading group. CryptoLifer.com, the guy that never takes a day off every single day here on the channel. God bless you all. So this is Bitcoin in a nutshell, getting tighter in the zone, all right? If it broke above here and did a retest, I would long 43.2 for a move up here. If it breaks down here and does a retest, boom. I would stay short until it gets back above 43,000. There's just no reason to be long yet. It hasn't shown us that it can get above a key area. So I remain short until then. BOOKMAP, link to BOOKMAP in the description. You won't get it any less expensive than through my link, so you might as well get it there. And you can see it's showing us where the orders are. See what's hiding behind the candlesticks. And this says there's a lot of orders down here at 690. Smash that like. Shout out to Jenna X. Shout out to Tom, Craig, Wayne. Well, we got Tom, and Wayne. All right. Shout out to Lakochi Coker. Shout out to Crypto Tatted. Sack. Shout out to Blockchain. Shout out to Dropout. When I miss a show, I miss out on money. I like that. Shout out to Jay Doolin. Shout out to Pickle Rick. Shout out to Daddy T in the house. Shout out to 554 Ha, a man who's been with us for a long, long time. Shout out to Happy Manatee. Manatee. I don't know. Manajay. Anyway, this does say that we could go lower. It still says that the liquidity is lower than us, below us. Massive order at 38.8, suggesting that we do end up lower to the downside is what BOOKMAP is saying. So, and, so I'm short. I've said that before. Until we get back above 43,000, even back above 43.2, I see no reason to be long. All right. Yo, please look at app. I'm ready to get in to Aptos, APT. And then I'm out of here for the day. This is a very quick update, everybody. No more super chats right now. I'm jumping out. All right. TIA is like everybody's love. Yeah, they love it. They do. Aptos did pump from this little flag that we looked at it at about 678. Ripped. And Aptos continuing to pump. It's been a long time. Fine. Aptos all the way back to 990, 9.7. Wow, that's amazing. It was 4 beans on the low and did basically a double up. I mean, I don't love what I'm seeing here for Aptos. It's in a funny flag. It's in like a broadening flag. See that? They do break out, but I don't know. It's not. I'm not a fan. I don't know what you're seeing. The daily looks okay. I'd let it consolidate a little bit. It did get a golden cross. It's looking okay. 2-day chart looks all right. 3-day chart. 8 hours a little overbought. It looks to me like unless you get a crazy spike here, you're going to come back down at least to the bottom of the pattern at 826. But I could be wrong. It's looking pretty hot right now. I don't like the market structure on it. This TIA staking pays a lot, and now I hear there's an airdrop coming. Where do you stake your TIA? I'm about to go stake it. Let me see. Let me go find out. I can answer the question myself. I'm about to go stake it. So now I get why people are doing it, because they're just buying and staking. They don't really care. They're not watching the price. You know. $20 soon. The first modular blockchain network. Build, explore, learn, build, run a node. Start with a dev, run Celestia. All right. Pay for data, stake TIA. The Kepler wallet, Cosmos Station. Wow, you can stake on Ledger too? That's kind of nice. I got Ledger. Interesting. The Kepler wallet, which one would you guys like? Cosmos Station? I like the name Cosmos Station for whatever reason. Anyone can download a wallet to freely control and use their TIA. It's important to get familiar with basic wallet practices for safety, storage, and tracking on Celestia. I think I predate December 1st. Download for Chrome, multi-chain wallet. So I got to get this set up right now. I'm going to send my Celestia over, and I'm going to start staking this stuff. Yeah. Yeah, baby, yeah. I want to see what we can get here. I'll do this in another stream. Whenever I do this online, I always like mess it up. Yeah, I'll do this another time, but okay. Lifer, do not stake on Cosmos Station. Why? Leap and Keep wallets are better than Solana right now. Leap is best right now. Used to use Kepler. I use Kepler. They are terrible. Can't get Celestia out. Really? All right. Solana wallet is best, Phantom wallet, but I lost a lot in Ray and Slim, and I mean, I'm still up, but I lost tons of money in Ray. Why? You went in too hard at the beginning, when it was high? What were you doing? You know? What were you thinking? What were you doing over there? Shout out to the 560 people here on the live. Thank you for jumping on in. Appreciate each and every one of you. The $2 in chat revenue are amazing. Bang. But anyway, this is what I'm seeing for the day. Nothing crazy. I'll be searching the markets and looking around. I do spend a lot of time with the family on Sunday. I like ASTR. That's on my radar right now. Likely going to make a bit of a move soon. It's on KuCoin and MEXC. It's just getting tighter and tighter inside of the zone. Look at this. only a matter of time. Something's coming for this. It's brewing, and it's oversold in the 4-hour time from getting tight moving averages. And it's been a hot coin. I wouldn't be surprised if this thing makes a move sooner than later. I'd be watching this very, very closely. I'll put a right-click alert on this thing. But I already gave a bunch of setups to the trading group. I got a bunch of alerts that went off. I'll be going through those too as well. And just look out for the things that I'll be posting throughout the day. All right. It is Sunday, low liquidity. I tend not to go hard on Sunday, but, you know, all coins pump. Whenever we see something that's worth it, we take advantage. All right. See, NIR's in this little flag right here that I'm liking. And that 4-hour looks interesting to me. I wouldn't be surprised if NIR made a bit of a pump to the upside. NIR's been hot and holding its own. So, everyone, I got to run for the day. Thank you so much for being here. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications. I'll be back tonight at 8 p.m., about 8 to 9, 9:30. We don't go too long on Sunday night. But I love you. I appreciate you. Hope you're having a wonderful time. And, yeah, thank you so much for jumping on into the live, and I'll see you tonight at 8 p.m. God bless everybody. Thank you for making gains with me last night. If you came to my live stream last night, you saw exactly what I did, and you saw me make $2,500 while I went to bed. So, $3,000 a day keeps the doctor away, I'll tell you that. I love you all. I appreciate you all. Hey, how do you think I can afford all these clothes over here? Shout out to everybody. I love you. I appreciate you. Have a wonderful day. Take care of yourself. Stay blessed. And, you know, spend a good day. This is God's day. Spend a good day with your family. I love you all. In God's name, let's stay blessed. And thank you for everything. Gratitude is the attitude. I live in abundance. I submitted to God. And whatever God's will is my will. And that's what I'm going to continue to do. I am only just a human. I don't have all the answers. But I can submit. And through God's submission, I can really find peace. I love you all. I appreciate you all. Have a blessed day. Take care of yourselves. Have some lemon water. Keep yourself hydrated. And I'll see you tonight for the weekly candle close. God bless you all. Thank you.